spirit of service, the premier non-negotiable, like underlined exclamation point, like non-negotiable is the betterment of our people. Is that okay?
Yes.
So this means in any decision, with any permit or whatever, the only thing or the main thing which will determine whatever we will do is our people. Their welfare. We will never ever, you will never ever do anything which will put at risk the lives of our people. Their betterment, their quality of life, their life is paramount. And that's what I want DNR to do. And if we do that aggressively, no, maybe the word of it is not aggressively. If we do that determinedly, in a non-negotiable stance, we just might really have a much better Philippines. And we can do it. Okay. The next thing I would like to do is create a feeling of the team is everything. Do you agree?
Yes.
The team is everything. You know, what can I do? I'm just a bit player here. What can we all do? Okay, we need to have a really good team in DNR.